Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can a probation officer search your phone? This is a critical question for anyone on community supervision, and the answer is almost always yes. It's a harsh reality, but your rights are different when you're on probation. Normally, the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures, meaning police need a warrant to go through your phone. However, when you accept probation, you agree to a list of conditions, and one of those standard conditions is a search clause. By agreeing to this, you effectively waive some of your Fourth Amendment rights. This search clause gives your probation officer, or PO, the authority to search your person, your property, your car, and your home. In today's world, your phone is considered your property. This means your PO does not need a warrant to look through it. They don't even need the higher standard of probable cause that police require. Instead, they typically only need what's called reasonable suspicion. This is a much lower bar to clear. Reasonable suspicion means the PO has specific facts or circumstances that would lead a reasonable person to suspect you're violating your probation or are involved in new criminal activity. This could be anything from a tip from an informant, seeing you in a place you're not supposed to be, or finding something suspicious during a home visit. Once they have that reasonable suspicion, they can demand your phone. The scope of the search should be related to the suspicion. For example, if they suspect you're contacting a co-defendant, they can look at your call logs and text messages. If they suspect you're dealing drugs, they might check your messaging apps and social media. The search isn't supposed to be a random fishing expedition or a form of harassment. However, the boundaries are often gray. What happens if you refuse? Refusing to allow the search is a direct violation of your probation conditions. This will likely lead to your PO filing a violation report, and you'll find yourself back in front of a judge. The judge could then revoke your probation and sentence you to serve the remainder of your time in jail or prison. So, in short, read your probation conditions carefully. Most of the time, you have agreed to let your PO search your phone. It's a serious part of being on supervision. Please remember, this is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. You should always consult with a criminal defense attorney regarding your specific case. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions you have, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content that helps you understand the legal system.